Hi everyone, this is Ellie Sparkles. We're here with Rubble from Paw Patrol. Rubble loves to build with Legos, so today he built a special Lego surprise egg that he's going to open. I can't wait to see what's inside. But first, we have to do some Lego egg magic. Give me a big thumbs up if you're ready to make the Lego egg a giant Lego egg. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Zarame! Wow, it worked! Look how big this Lego egg is now! And the coolest part is that it's made with Play-Doh! Rubble is super excited! He has the biggest Lego egg ever! And he can't wait to open it and find all the surprises inside! Okay, Rubble, let's open this egg! I'll help you! This egg is so big and bright red! First thing we take off is the letters. L is the first letter. Can anyone tell me something that starts with the letter L? Next letter is E. Next up, G. Finally, last but not least, O. That's all the letters to spell Lego. We're almost ready for the best part, the red Play-Doh that is covering the egg. After we take it off, then we can take a look at what's inside. Have you ever seen so many surprise toys in one place? This might be our biggest surprise egg ever! What could our first surprise toy be? It's a Disney Whisker Haven Lego set. It's so much fun building these Lego sets. This Whisker Haven toy has little furry critters that are best friends with the Disney princesses. We'll have to use this special guide. This teaches us how to put the set together perfectly. First thing we do is dump all the pieces out so we see what we have. Now, time to build, just like Rubble. I see a carrot. Do you think that means there is a horse or a rabbit in this set? Someone wants to make tea. This set is so beautiful, isn't it? We did get a bunny, just like we thought. Her name is Berry Bunny. She loves to drink tea, eat carrots, and of course, berries, just like her name. First, she will make some tasty tea and drink it all up. The tea she makes is very healthy. Then, she wants to have some yummy berries. These berries were freshly picked from the garden. Then, finally, Berry Bunny's favorite, carrots. She would eat carrots all day if she could. Berry Bunny is so sweet. But we have another toy to open. Which toy is next inside this egg? Nice! It's a Hello Kitty Kinder Surprise egg. Kinder eggs are the best because it has chocolate on the outside and an awesome surprise toy on the inside. The chocolate looks super yummy. Here we have the background. That's great! She can lay on her bed all by herself. But first, the bed is missing something. It's missing a blanket. Good thing we got a sticker for her blanket and pillow. That looks perfect. Now she can have a good night's sleep whenever she wants. Let's take a look at how she looks in the bedroom now. This looks so cute, and Hello Kitty is all ready for a fun sleepover. Now it's time to open some more toys. It's a Lego Ninjago light-up keychain. Look at this! His feet light up! I can't wait to see that! This is the Green Ninja. Okay, PJ Masks fans, do you know what PJ Masks hero with big muscles is green? Let me know in the comments. He usually uses a sword called a katana to fight the bad guys. He's super strong and a great ninja. And he has a special superpower also. The bottom of his feet light up like a flashlight. How cool is that? The Ninjago can fight mean villains and also light up to help you see in the dark. I like this Ninjago toy because he's a keychain. Thank you, Ninjago. What toy will we open next? It's a surprise animal. This one is in a purple ball. Let's see what cute animal we find inside this ball. Ah, it's a fuzzy raccoon. She's so soft and she has a big fluffy tail. But what is her name? It's Rosie Raccoon. Her birthday is August 29 and her favorite color is midnight black. She seems like a really sweet little raccoon. Now, let's see what toy is next. It's a troll slime bag. Nice! All of the trolls are so cool. Not like that mean Bergen chef. What troll did we get? Satin. Satin is Chanel's twin sister. The two of them have the best clothes and hair out of all the trolls. They're the one to help Poppy pick out the best outfits. Satin is the one with pink skin. And two of them usually have their hair all tied together. I really love Satin's sparkly blue dress today. It's so beautiful. Wow, that's all of our toys. That was a lot of toys. Hey there, Rubble. I hope you like all of your toys. What do you have there? Your mini Lego egg? That's great. Do you want to open it? Let's take a look inside. First, we have to get all of the red Play-Doh off. And inside is a pink egg. But what is inside the pink egg? It's a Snickers. Snickers is Rubble's favorite candy. He must have gotten this while trick-or-treating on Halloween. Okay, Rubble, since you're the best construction puppy in the world, we'll let you have a treat. Wow, he ate that so fast. He really does love Snickers. Wasn't today the best day ever? We opened a giant Play-Doh egg, found lots of cool toys, and then Rubble got a Snickers for dessert. Best day ever! Are you ready for another Ellie Sparkles adventure? Let's go!